Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor here to give you your September 2018 Denver real estate market update. As always, I want to remind you we'll be looking at August numbers since I won't have September numbers until October. Okay, so last month I talked to you a whole lot about inventory. We had hit a 3-year high in inventory. Well, this month it has gotten a little bit better for you home buyers, because inventory is up again this month, and actually we are at a 4-year high. Let's take a look. We are actually up 7.65% from last month and up 11.79% from August of 2017. Now, what I did notice is when you break that down between single family detached homes and attached homes, meaning condos and townhomes, there was quite a bit more inventory in the condo townhome arena. So let's look at those numbers. For detached homes, we were up 5.75% from the prior month and up 8.64% from August of 2017. Now with attached homes, it was quite a bit more. We were up 13.58% from July, and we were up 22.07% from August of 2017. So inventory up in both detached and attached homes, but really quite a bit more in the condo and townhome area. So if you're shopping for a condo and townhome, you're probably seeing a lot more choices out there. And actually, I've noticed that personally. So some more choices for you home buyers out there. Okay, let's talk about average sales price. So the average sales price came in at $474,838 in the month of August. I keep forgetting what month we're in. That's why I'm talking slow. That is down 0.58% from August, so not too much movement, just a little bit over 0.5% down from from the prior month, which was July, and up 9.73% from August of 2017. Now I want to hit that number a little bit more, because if you've watched my prior month's videos, you know that I had been talking about the fact that the average sales price here in the Denver area, for the longest time, I was seeing a year-over-year increase in the double digits, 10%, 11%, just double-digit gains every single month. And then what I saw in June, I saw it kind of drop down to 8.5% gains. And then in July, I saw it drop to 7.75% gains, so or 7.5% gains. All too many numbers. But it was that year-over-year average sales price just seemed to be dropping from those double-digit gains. And I was wondering, are we going to see that again this month? Well, this month we actually did go back up, not into the double digits, but we went up to our gains for year over year was 9.73. So we didn't keep on that decline on those year-over-year gains. We actually came back up a little over the last couple months. So like I said in past videos, I don't think, even if we were to have some declines there, I don't think it's a bad thing. The gains that we've been having in Denver, the Denver area for the last few years, is not sustainable. So we do need to see those come down a bit. But that does mean, even though we see more inventory and the buyers are seeing more homes to buy, we're pretty strong here. So we see some drops in average sales price, those seasonal drops, and the added inventory, less homes going under contract, which we're going to move into next. But still a very strong market here in Denver, and a very strong economy. I'll be touching on that just a little bit too. Okay, before I move into under contract homes, I do want to break out that average sales price again, because I said the average sales price in the Denver area came in August at $474,300. $838. Let's go ahead and break that down into attached homes and detached homes, just so you get a feel for that. So the average price of a detached home in the Denver area in August came in at $525,346. And the average price for an attached home, a condo or townhome, came in at $345,791. Just wanted to give you that breakdown. Now let's move into homes that went under contract in August. So 5,339 homes went under contract in August. That was down 2.27% from July and down 1.8% from August of 2017. So we did have a little bit of downward movement there from the prior month and also a little bit from 2017 as well. Days on the market. So our days on the market also have, they've increased. So if you're selling a home, this is what you can expect. The average days on the market in August came in at 22 days. That was up 10% from the prior month, but you got to figure August, kids are back in school around here in the Denver area, so not as many home shoppers as we saw in July, so that 10% difference there does makes sense, right? And actually that 22 days on the market was exactly the same as we saw in August of 2017. All right, and as always, I do want to remind you, days on the market can vary greatly, depending on location in the Denver area and the price range you're in, and if you have your house priced right. Very, very important, sellers. Price that house right. But talk to your realtor if you're planning to sell your home, or give me a call, and we can talk about what you can expect when selling your house. Okay, I told you I wanted to touch on the economy in the Denver area just a little bit. I like to give some fun facts at the end of my real estate report, and here we go. So, 24/7 Wall Street ranked Colorado as having the best economy for the second year in a row. Go Colorado! So, great economy here in Colorado, and that should be good news for our housing market in the near future, right? All right, and second thing another report that I wanted to point out to you was by Realtor.com, and they rated Denver number 6 as being most profitable of most profitable housing markets. Not too shabby. All right. Again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. If you're planning to buy or sell a home in the Denver area, be sure to give me a call, and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see all my monthly updates and see home tours around the Denver area. Thanks for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.